All right, so it's a chill Saturday afternoon, and I'm helping my dad with two batteries for his south GPS station, whatever. It's this expensive GPS thing they use for topography and shit. And so it came with a bunch of super crap cells, and I'm changing them with a bunch with exactly two LG MH1s, which I was keeping just in case I have to repair some scooter batteries. But anyway, so that's all fine. I get my welder out. I get some nickel strips. I'm postponing the radio for the foreseeable future. And yeah, it's chill. So right, always I have to set the welder to some power level. And now it's 10. Depending on how full the battery inside of it is, you have to change that. So you have to always kind of test some welds out, right? So I do this, and I take one of these, right? I don't know how full it is. I took it out of my drawer, so it's super dead. And I spot weld a bit of nickel tape on it, so that's fine. And I go a bit too far. So I'm doing my work, and now I go to pick this up, and this is almost too hot to touch. I'll put some tape on it so we can see it in the IR a bit better. So this should be fine. And if we take the camera, yeah, it is. The one thing that is that the hot snot gun is on. The speaker is obviously a bit warm. That's on 24/7. But apart from that, you can see where it's been sitting on these two spots, and it is at 60 degrees. So it is currently shorting out. I thought I'd make a video, and now I think I'll take it to the freezer, I think. I mean, it's too late to stop the short, and it's a super dead battery, so how much energy could it possibly have? But I would suggest everyone involved be a bit more careful than I was, because this could have been, I mean, had this been a proper new cell and it was shorting out in this manner, yeah, that's what, like 3,000 something milliamp hours. So yeah, no, could have set some nice fireworks off, and especially all the house is hardwood flooring. This is wood. Keep some papers in and in the trash as well, just to ignite stuff properly. But yeah, totally. I'll be more careful next time. I guess I'll just test weld on super dead 0-volt batteries. I guess that would be the takeaway from here. But yeah, I hope everyone's safe and have a good one.